Hey guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a home tour of our home in Pune. Very honestly, this is our last day in this home and I just wanted to do a tour just for the sake of the memories and also show you a beautiful place that we've built. So we've lived in this home for 6 months exact, and I feel very sad that we have to leave so soon. But some work priorities and other priorities is making us shift. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick tour of the house that we've built. I have no help today, so I will be filming on my own, so bear with the aesthetics of the video. But yeah, we live in Pashan. It's a 2 BHK house and we pay a rent of 24,000. Now let me quickly show you our home. So that's the main door from where you enter, and this is the home. Pardon the clothes in the balcony, but yeah, this is the house. So as you enter, you have the living room where we have our three-seater sofa. We have a round table. This is from Pepper Fry. This is from Amazon. If you've seen my previous video, the furniture is the same. We have a cute cozy setup over here. So both these chairs are from Pepper Fry. That small table is from Amazon. This we got made. That's the TV, some money plants. There we have the balcony. It has some clothes drying out right now, but we've decorated it with plants. And yeah, that's the view. So you have a beautiful view of the mountains, some buildings. This looks stunning at night. And yeah, you have a cricket ground. So Kunal often sits here and watches cricket. You have a marriage hall here, and the view over here is beautiful. Now on the other side of the house we have the kitchen. So that's the kitchen. I know it's very compact, but enough for two people. Again, money plant, some dream catchers. We have a dream catcher here as well. These curtains are from DMart. These pillow covers are from, I guess, Pepper Fry. Okay, so the apartment came with the kitchen trolleys, the induction, and this furniture. Everything else is owned by us. So we have a good storage space here. You get a platform here. That's the fridge and the RO, and yeah, it's basically very simple looking kitchen. Moving on, let's head to our bedroom. That's my bag. I'm going home. So yeah, you have a passage here, a mirror here, and yeah, we have two rooms, 1 and 2. Now this is the master bed. Yeah, so that's the bedroom. Very cozy. It has wooden flooring as well. Now, okay, so that's the room. That's the attached wash. We have cute plants here. My monstera, which is growing and growing. Touch wood. We have a snake plant, and this plant, I don't know what it's called. And yeah, that's the bedroom. We got the bed from Pepper Fry again. This cozy comforter set is from Amazon. The curtains are from DMart again, and the view here is beautiful. And at the night, this looks gorgeous. And wait for the best part about this room. We have a balcony with the view of the Pashan Lake. So yeah, that's the balcony. We are on 12th floor right now, and you can see the beautiful Pashan Lake from here. Honestly, me and Kunal, we got this space because of the lake that you see, guys. Yeah, so that's pretty much the view. Again, wooden flooring in the balcony as well. Okay, now heading to one other room. Yeah, so okay, so this is the other room. Very messy, I know. So we have a separate bed which has all the mattresses on it, and everything else in the house we dump here. But we have two of our cupboards here where we keep our clothes. Again, the view from here is good. It's very airy and windy. And we have a dressing table right here. So yeah, that's the other room. I know, very messy. And yes, on the other side of this room, we have a beautiful mandir, as you can see in the video. But yeah, that's pretty much our home. So guys, that's our cozy little home, and I just wanted to capture this before I go home. So I leave today and I'll be back sometime next week, and we'll be moving to our next home, which is even better. So stay tuned for the moving vlog. We just wanted to capture the memories of this home through this video. We've spent only 6 months here, but this home is very close to our heart, and yeah, just wanted to make a video. We live on the 12th floor on the Pashan Link Road. I can reveal the society and everything now. If you guys have any questions about rented properties in Pune, I'll share whatever I know. So feel free to post those questions in the comments below. And yeah, we are ready for our next adventure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do. You can follow me on Instagram at Dhruva Gandhi, and I'll see you another time in a next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye.